Alright guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to code your micro servo. Now there's two differences. We've got a continuous servo. So here's your continuous servo. It will run continuously, so you have to code it to run 360 degrees. It will constantly go. Your tower servo is going to be limited to 180 degrees. I'm going to show you two different codes to add to your project. So if you want your servo to run continuously, you're going to use the continuous servo. If you are going to have control of it and use input A and B to go 180 degrees and then reverse back to 180 degrees, you just need a simple tower servo. Okay, so first off, to connect them, you're going to have the alligator clips. That is an exposed wire alligator clip. I'd like to show you more in class. The ground wire is going to connect to the pigtail of the servo, which black is going to go to brown and red is going to go to red, and then your yellow is going to go to the kind of auburn looking lighter color wire, and they're connected like so. And then according to whatever pin you code it to, you're going to respectively send your alligator clip to your microbit to there, and I can show you more in class as well. But let's get to the coding real quick. So I coded this one to be controlled by input A and B. So if I go if I go A, it goes 180, then B, it reverses back to the other. A, B. Okay, so to get that code, you are going to, let me pause this for a second. You're going to get your on start, okay? Then you're going to go down to your extensions, and you need to get a servo extension, which I already have. So you'll get a drawer that looks like this, where it says servos. Then inside the servos, you're going to grab a set servo. We're just going to use pin 0. Okay, we're going to set it to 0 degrees. And then we are going to go to our loops, and we're going to get a 4 index 2. And we're going to go from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. And then back to our servos drawer, and we're going to get a set servo. And it's going to say set servo pin 0 angle to index, because that's the variable that's already created for us. Okay. Because you went and grabbed this 4 index earlier, and we changed that 4 to 180. And then we put a set servo pin 0 angle to index. Then now we need to get it to go in reverse. So that's with A, it's going to go 180 degrees one way. And then we need it to reverse to go the other way, so we'll do a little bit of math coding. We'll go ahead and duplicate pretty much all of this that you have in pin A, or in input A, sorry. And so it's going to say 4 index from 0 to 180. Then you're going to get your set servo again, which is right here, and you'll duplicate it. You'll put it in there. And you'll go get a subtraction, because we're going to decrement, we're going to subtract because we're going 180 and we're going back the other way. And you will get math and put it right there. And you're going to plug in 180 minus, and you already have your index. You can get that out of the variable drawer, or you can just drag it from here and put one there, because it's already right there. And you just drop that in there like so. Okay, again, I grab that index from here, or you can just drag it from there and drop it right in. So that's going to give you your back and forth motion when you press A. So when you start the program and you download it, it's going to go to 0 degrees. Then when you press A, it's going to go from 0 to 180. And then when you hit B, it's going to go 180 minus the index. That means it's going into reverse. Now obviously you can slow it down. I thought it was fine without a pause, but if you want to put pauses in there, you can. Okay, so that's for your servo. That's for the tower servo. Now, let me go ahead and disable this for a minute. I'm going to show you if you want to use your continuous servo, you're just basically going to use a forever block. Okay. If you use your forever block for your servo to continuously run, then you would go to your servo drawer, and then you're going to get continuous servo. Let's max it out at 100%, and then you just download it to your computer, or to your microbit, sorry. See if I can move this out of the way. Let me pause this for a second. See if I can download this and show you. So it's going to be continuous. Let me see what happened here. Oh, it's because I didn't change it out yet, because I have the tower servo still on there. So I need to go and get a continuous servo and hook that up. Again, the exposed wire alligator clips, you're going to get black to the brown, push that pin into the pigtail, and then you're going to go red to the red, and then yellow to the auburn. And then there you have it, your servo that's continuously going. That's an easy code, it's just in the forever block. So it depends on what you want to do for your project. Okay? There you go. Leave her out.